Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 15 of building the Batmobile Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy. In this issue, we are building a little heads-up display unit by the looks of it. But first of all, we're looking at the motorbike, the pod, as they called it last time, if I remember correctly. Yeah, the Bat pod. Well, it looks great. I mean, these wheels were almost designed to be huge motorbike wheels, weren't they? So yeah, that was quite a cool vehicle. I like the flying ones, but the bike is very cool. The Justice League of America, because that's where justice begins, obviously, in America. It's all very American, yeah. Because that's the people that are going to save the world all the time. Got to be the Americans. Yeah. Cool. There we go. There's that. Right, let's have a look at the step-by-step instructions. Little self-contained build, this one, so there's nothing else in here. We have various parts in there which are going to go together thusly. And it looks a bit like that. It's not a real heads-up display, but it's pretty close. It looks like it might actually do something. Some sort of projecty bit, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll have a look. We've got the more HUD things next time, so that might be fitting it to the body. I don't know. We'll get there. Let's get this out of the way, and we'll have a look at the parts. Okay, here we go. Once again, screws in a paper container. Is this them going environmentally friendly? Like Lego keep threatening to go to paper packaging rather than the plastic bags? I hope so. Yeah, I'm all for more sustainability, so that's all good. This one is not labelled. Is that going to be the screen? Is yeah, we've got a semi-transparent screen there. Right, let's get to it. We're first of all going to be putting a piston on here. This is the longer piston going on there. Wait, what? No, like that. Okay, that goes on there like so, and that is held in place with a UP screw, which I've got a couple out. Go. Going to go through one side of this. One side is indeed bigger than the other, so let's go for that side. It doesn't seem to matter which way up this goes, but it has got it pictured as the screw coming in from this side, so I may as well copy them down to the smallest detail. Makes sense to do it their way if it works. If it doesn't work, then I'm not adverse to trying it myself in a different direction, but that's got on there. That's holding on there. It wobbles around a lot. It's not tight, but I'm pretty sure that whatever's going to fit on the other end of that, the piston bit, will make it nice and secure. So that's that. Now we've got the two ferrules, which are going in either side of this. They appear to be the same. And I have got some pins around the outside there. But there are four. It looks like that one's a very warm, but there are 4 pins around there. So they may have to go in a particular angle, but probably rotate a little bit anyway. So they'll just go in there like that. Nice and easy. Next up, we need to put these bits together. It's got important information to make sure you get them the right size with the split pieces on the inside. So that's that way round, that's that way round, and that's going to go in there like that. Just as matching. Right, so yeah, that's going to go in there like that, and then the screen will fit onto the narrow side. Right up. That is like that, right? The screen has got little pins which are going to fit into there. Does the screen have an inside and an outside? It looks pretty much the same from both sides. and the pins look like they're equidistant from each other, I'm pretty sure that's just going to go on there like that. And that will go in there like that. In the other side, we'll just go in place exactly the same way. Although there's a little rough bit there. And there's less rough bit down the bottom there. So I'm going to turn that around. Hide the imperfections. No, but that is a different size pin. So that is in fact a bigger pin on one side than the other. So I want to hide that. Got to do it. That's got to be at the top, whichever way round I have it, because that's where the thicker bars are. So no choice as to that. There is a difference, and you've got to get it that way round. I'm assuming something is probably going to cover the top of that anyway, so I'm not too concerned. If it does turn out that it isn't, then I'll come back and tidy it up a bit. It's going to be covered by a thing, then I don't need to worry too much about covering it yet. Get those on there first, that might be easier. No, it's going to come apart, whatever. Because it's only a friction fit, and it's the same friction both sides. I'll take a little bit of finagling. Stop both bits popping out at the same time. So there we go. That is that on there. Not a problem. Then that is going to go onto there. So we've got 3 pins on there and 3 holes on there. Right way round. I did it the right way round, then I turned it the other way. That pops together a bit like that. There we go. So we've got the starts of the heads-up display. I don't know, that's obviously going to fit onto something. Going to fit onto that, isn't it? So that's going to fit somewhere. Don't know yet, but for now, we are just putting that bit to one side. I shall put the screw back in the bag. Keep that for later. Bag I shall keep for later anyway, because it's always useful to have that sort of thing. And that is another issue completed. I shall see you very soon for more of this. And we'll see what we're going to do with it, where we're going to fit it, and how it's going to work. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.